Jasmine with WTI. Are you looking for some safety gear to keep you doing the things that you absolutely love? Well, XINDAER has a fantastic set for you. Comes with wrist guards, elbow pads, and knee pads. They're adorable, super comfortable. Let me show you some more features. The gradient rainbow color is a subtle surprise in the sun because at first glance, the set appears black. The knee pads and elbow pads are sleeved and have straps, so depending on what you find most comfortable, you can personalize the adjustments. I'm in a size medium and they are very comfortable sleeved over my jeans and long sleeve shirts. There aren't any pinch points and they aren't too tight. The wrist guards have 2 adjustable straps and are the most important part of the set to me. All of the padding and the shell are just the right protection needed for a fall. When I wear the pads, I can relax and enjoy my playtime on skates or on a longboard. This set is allowing me to continue to do the things I love without taking unnecessary risk of injury. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.